Good morning, guys. Welcome back to this online session on Azure. So today we are going to discuss about Azure AD single sign-on, how to enable this feature, and Azure AD device registration, how you will register your device to Azure AD. So we are going to discuss one by one both topics. So first of all, we'll discuss about single sign-on. So whatever application, cloud applications you are going to use in Azure AD. So what you want that your users can access their applications with single ID and password. So that is called single sign-on. So multiple applications they can access through single ID and password. So that I'm going to show you how you will enable this feature for your users. So let me go to my portal, open Azure Active Directory. So there is a tab, Enterprise Applications. So that you will get here. So I'm going to add a new application here. So let me click on new application. So you can see there are multiple applications available here. So I'm going to use here Office Exchange. Let me select this application. That is already added here, so we cannot add this one. So let me choose another application. Let me search here. OneDrive. We have OneDrive, so we don't have. Let me check with the gallery. Let me search from here. So OneDrive is there. I'm going to add OneDrive as my enterprise application. Click on create. So this application will be added into your enterprise application section, and then you would be able to enable single sign-on for your users. So application is added here. You can see that application is added here. Now you can see there's option single sign-on. So we need to click on it. So there's option password based. We need to click on it. Click on save. You need to add user here. So click on add user. So select user. I'm going to add here Bob user. So let me add here Bob and admin both users. Click on select. So if you want, you can assign role also. I'm going to add both users here. So both users are added for this application, and single sign-on is, if you remember, that is password based. Okay. Now they can access OneDrive. Okay. Now there are multiple applications which is assigned to those users, so the user can access those applications through single portal. Okay, with their email ID and password. So let me show you that also. So there would be my apps. That is the URL. Yeah, correct. So now I need to sign in with my user. So let me go back to users tab. So select this user credential. Paste here. Yes. So if you see, OneDrive is there. So this user, admin user and Bob user, there would be multiple application in your organization. Okay, so you have assigned those applications to these users. Okay, and they can access those user from a single portal with their same email ID and password. That is called single sign-on. So I'm using the same ID which they are using for accessing their portal. So same ID I'm using for myapps.microsoft.com for accessing their applications. Okay, so they are able to access their applications from here just because they are allowed users. So that is called single sign-on. Now next feature. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now next feature which I'm going to enable, that is device registration. So just go back to your default page of your Azure AD, and then there is option devices. So right now if you see here, there's no device. Okay, so you can, if you want, you can do the settings of your devices here. Just go to device settings. So user may join Azure device to Azure AD, all users or selected users or none. So if you want, you can select here selected users, so which user can join AD devices. So I'm going to allow this for admin user. Click on select, click on OK. If you want, you can apply this for all users. Additional local administrator on Azure AD join. So if you want, you can allow this. I'm not going to allow this. Users may register their devices with Azure AD, all users or none. Require multi-factor authentication to join devices? No. If you want, you can enable MFA for those users. Maximum number of devices per user. So how many devices user can join with Azure AD? So I'm going to limit to 5. That a user can join 5 devices to Azure AD, like his mobile phone, his tab, his desktop, his laptop. Okay, then click on save. So that is updated. Now just go to settings of your system, and from here we need to go to accounts. So here you can see there is a access work or school account. You need to go here, you need to click on connect, and here you need to enter your admin credentials. So that is my user which is allowed for device join. Click on next. Password of this user. So you are all set. Click on done. Now this device is registered with Azure AD, and if you want to verify, just go to your devices tab again and just refresh your portal once, and you would be able to see your changes. Just go to devices tab. So you can see here my desktop is registered here. That is my desktop name. So if you want, I can show you. That is the name. You can see same name. Now this device is registered with my Azure AD. So whatever policy I will apply, I can apply my policies. So if the policy will met with this device and with this user, so they will come into compliance section. Whatever conditional access you want to assign, you can assign. Now rest thing you know. how to perform. So our objective is clear. We are done with this lab for how to enable single sign-on, how to configure, how to join device registration. Okay, so thank you guys. If you have any question, you can write down your question into comment section. So I'll definitely reply. Thank you. Bye bye.